Hey there foodies, welcome back to my channel. I am Cuckoo and today we are taking taco night to a whole new level with a unique twist. Papad tacos. These crunchy and flavorful taco shells are made from papads and are perfect for when you want to try something different. Let's get started. You can take any papad you prefer. We'll start by heating a pan over medium heat and cook the papad. Brush them with a little oil and cook it for a minute or two on each side until they puff up and become crispy. And then give it a shape of a taco shell. Once the papad are ready, let them cool for a moment. Now let's do our filling for that. In a pan, we'll combine the garlic paste, onion and saute it until it turns golden brown and add a pinch of salt. And then add in the tomatoes and saute them for about 2 minutes. And then smash it and add little water and let them cook. Later on, we'll add the tomato puree and water so that a sauce is created. And to that, we'll add boiled beans and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Later, add tomato ketchup, salt, pepper, ginger powder, chili powder, garam masala, sugar and mix them all together and cook it for 2 more minutes and let it cool down. Now let's prepare our salad. For that you can use any topping you desire. Here I have roughly chopped capsicum, carrot, onion, tomato, cabbage and boiled corn. Add all these veggies in a bowl. Now add in ketchup, salt, pepper, ginger powder and the garlic oil. Combine them all together. Now let's prepare our tacos. Take a papad and layer it with the beans filling and the salad. And repeat with the remaining papad. Your papad tacos are ready to serve. These unique and crispy taco shells adds a delightful crunch to your favorite taco filling. They are a crowded pleasure and a conversation starter for any gathering. I hope you enjoyed this creative twist on taco nights with papad tacos. It's a fun and delicious way to enjoy your favorite flavors. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more unique and tasty recipes. Thank you for joining me today in the kitchen. Happy cooking!